everybody to another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I'm your dance professor and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today you are going to be learning the Groove Jam emote, but before we get started, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you know every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I have a free live hip-hop dance class that's available for all ages. Check that schedule on my Twitch. I'm going to leave it down in the comment section below. Okay, you guys ready to do this emote? Let's hit it. Okay, so this is how you do the Groove Jam emote. As always, I'm going to face the back so you don't have to worry about mirroring anything. And I'll face the front and kind of show you the hands and what things look like from the front as well. But we're going to learn to face it this way. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your left hand and you're going to kind of just stab it down like this, okay? And we call these blades when we're dancing. It just means you have a flat palm, okay? And you're just going to boom, push that down and stab it, okay? So you're going to go this way, then you're going to shift the other way, boom. Then you're going to do it again, boom. Then you're going to make this one a little bigger and you're going to stab and hit a blade this way. You get a nice straight arm like that, okay? Try and put those moves together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, left. Then from here, you're going to get yourself centered again, and you're just going to rock your hips and raise your arms. Go to the right, to the left, to the right, okay? That's it. Just rock your hips back and forth, right, left, right, okay? And just bring the arms up. You're going to end up basically at almost a 45-degree angle, just here, 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 right? Then from there, you're going to drop straight down. So you go right, left, right. We're going to drop straight down like this. And you got two things happening here. The first thing is the hand, okay? And you have little waves you're going to do with the hand. So if you just put your hand out like this and you bend your fingers, straighten them down, and bring them up, that's the wave that's happening, okay? You just bend your fingers, straighten them this way. Bend your fingers, go down, and then straighten them as they come back up. Now put it together and have it just continue like this. Now kind of get your whole hand into it, okay? If you've ever seen somebody making bread, it's almost like you're kneading dough like that too. Or very hula-ish, okay? I've had students be like, it's very hula-like, okay? So that's gonna come across your body this way, yeah? And then you're gonna kind of come up with it, and then you're gonna shake your finger now, okay? So it ends up looking like this. You go right, left, right. Drop, 2, 3, 4, come up, 5, 6, bring it down here. The other thing that's happening is you have a little circle with the hips, okay? I'm gonna face the front so you can kind of see it. Take your hip and you wanna go to the right, back, to the right, back. So you're basically making little circles. It might feel a little silly the first time you do it, but get over it, have fun, because it's a fun little kind of a disco move right there. The music's very disco, so it makes sense, okay? So we're sitting like this, and your hips are gonna go to the right first. So we're gonna go circle right, circle right, circle right, circle right. You're circling to the right and to the back. So if I face this way, you can see it go to the back, to the back, to the back, like that. And it's super small. Get the hand in there with it at the same time. Looks like this. 7, 8. You go drop, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up, shake it down, here. Your hips will stop when you shake it down. Now try and put all that together from the top. So we're gonna go from our blade section. Ready? 6, 7, go. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Go center, hips, hips, hips. Go down, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up and shake it down here. Up. When you bring your legs up, you're just gonna come up, boom, and you're gonna bring your hands up here, and then we're gonna drop it straight down. Looks like this. So after you come down and shake it, you're gonna end up jumping onto your left leg. Boom, bring your right leg up. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna throw your hands down like this. Throw your hands down so your palms are facing forward like that. So we come up, down, you're gonna go right, left, and then immediately jump this way, and then stab your blade. And then it now repeats from the very beginning. So one more time to kind of get that connection. It goes here, here, step, step, boom, 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 boom. So you see how that kind of connects a little bit? Let's try it from the top. I'll do it a couple times with counts, and then we're gonna try it with music. So here it goes. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, center, rock, 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 drop it down, down, 3, 4, bring it up, and shake it down. No, go hit, 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 boom, 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 boom. Rock it back and forth. Then we go hit, 2, 3, 4, bring it up, and shake it. Here, boom, 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 boom. And then it just keeps repeating like that. There you go, guys. That's how you do it with counts. Let's go ahead, let's put on the music. Let's do this with the skin. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! There you go, guys. That is how you do the Fortnite emote groove jam. If you have any other tutorial requests, put them in the comment section below. And as always, keep dancing. I will see you guys next week. Peace out.